Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share something that has completely changed the way I work with data, the Microsoft Power BI Desktop for Business Intelligence course by Maven Analytics on Udemy. Before taking this course I had basic knowledge of data, but I always felt like I was missing a key piece when it came to visualizing and analyzing data effectively. Well, this course filled that gap for me. Let me tell you what I learned and how it transformed my approach to data. First, the course walks you through the Power BI interface, which was a great starting point. I got to learn how to import data from different sources and navigate the software with ease. From there, I moved into data transformations. If you've ever worked with messy data, you know how important it is to clean and shape it for analysis. This course taught me how to do that using Power Query, which saved me so much time. Then, I dove into creating visualizations. I now know how to build powerful reports that not only look awesome but also communicate the insights clearly. And the best part? I learned how to build interactive dashboards with slicers and filters, allowing me to explore data from different angles. One of the highlights for me was the deep dive into DAX. This formula language allowed me to create complex calculations and advanced metrics that I didn't think were possible. It really opened my eyes to the full potential of Power BI. Finally, I learned how to publish and share my reports. Collaboration is key in any team, and now I can easily share my insights with colleagues and make data-driven decisions together. If you're looking to get serious about business intelligence and want to become a Power BI pro, this course is definitely worth checking out. I can honestly say that it's made me so much more confident in working with data and has opened up new career opportunities for me. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.